Zat. Am I right?
You are right.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear audience, honorable Kanasan, Alhamdulillah, Are Balasi, honorable Balas of Liashagurit. As you honor Mundu, common on Lahajiri. Common honor the Arate, common on Hodiba Kisayim. Tolara Shuruguri. Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
What is common non meaning?
A common noun is the generic name for person, place, thing, and animals in a class or group. Unlike proper noun, a common noun is not capitalized unless it either begin a sentence or appear in a title. Do you understand definition of common noun?
Yes,
So will you tell me some example of common noun?
of course.
So what?
Hear carefully. Some example of common noun. Person, teacher, mother, director, police, doctor, dancer, artist, hairdresser, creator, driver. Place, country, city, village, home, heart, school, mail, hospital, park, playground, museum. Thing, table, book, pen, chair, ball, bag, box, boot, ruler. Animal, cat, lion, tiger, bird, ox, hen, snake, fish, dog, goat. They are some example of common noun.
definition है on example है तो common noun होदी बारो आएंगे तो मरे एक और मरे की हो जान होई परिवाने
Fajumai.
की हो साइंदे
Common noun hode Rohingya tamare katamare zat. Am I right?
You are right.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.